This is Unit 5 Artificial Intelligence. Topic is Design Principle of Pattern Recognition System. Okay, now see. What is a pattern recognition? Pattern recognition is the science of making inferences from perceptual data using tools from statistic, probability, machine learning, signal processing, and algorithm design. These are the different tools to recognize the pattern. Recognition means, what is a recognition? Recognition is the process of establishing a close match between new stimulus and previously stored stimulus pattern in the database. Okay, see, this is a pattern recognition system. This is a pattern recognition system. The step 1 is sensor. We provide some real world entity as an input to sensor, and the output of the sensor will be the input for the next phase, that is a pre-processing and enhancement. But first of all, what is a sensor? Sensor is a device which convert the physical sample to be recognized into a set of quantities which characterize the sample. Okay, and the output produced by sensor will be the input for pre-processing and enhancement. Okay, and what is a pre-processing? Pre-processing refer to filtering the data for noise, suppression, and other operation performed on the raw data to improve its quality. Okay, and after the enhancement, what is the output of the second phase, that is a pre-processing and enhancement, will be input for the next phase, that is a feature extraction. What is a feature extraction? Feature extraction is a property that best characterize the data for classification. Okay, first of all, select feature, then measuring the value of each feature is feature extraction. Okay, and there are three different method of feature extraction: is classification algorithm, clustering algorithm, regression algorithm. Using these different algorithms are there for feature extraction. Okay, now see, what is a classification? What is meaning of classification? Classification algorithm. Classification, in this stage, the feature are passed to the classifier. And classifier, what is classifier? Classifier is a machine that performs the classification. The process of categorizing an object on the basis of features that are passed to it known as the classification. Okay, and there are number of classification algorithms are there to perform the feature extractions. Now, what is a clustering algorithm? There are number of clustering algorithms are there to divide the particular data into pieces of data. And what is the clustering? First of all, clustering means we have a large data set and we can divide the data set on the basis of particular characteristics of data. For example, grouping a student on the basis of marks obtained by them is also example of clustering. And now, what is the regression? Regression algorithm is also, there are a number of regression algorithms, and using this algorithm is useful for feature extraction. And what is the meaning of regression? Regression means when the probability of result is greater than 2 or more than 2, then we say that it is called regression. Okay, and see, a pattern is defined as, what is pattern? Pattern is defined as composite of features that are characterized as individual. Suppose there are two different type of object, plus is one object and this dot is another object, and this is a similar type of object and this some another similar type of object. So such type of grouping is called the good feature extraction. And this star so some another type of object and dot so some another type of object, and this grouping, this such type of grouping is called bad feature extraction, and such type of grouping are called non-linear separation. Why non-linear? Because this is not a linear. Okay, this is like a curve. Okay, so it is called non-linear separable. Okay, and object classification is closely related to recognition. The ability to classify or grouping objects according to some commonly shared feature is a form of class recognition. Okay, then what is a pattern? Through visual sensing and recognition, we identify many special objects such as home, office, face, the face of people, handwriting. Okay, this is how we can recognize the pattern. And through oral sensing and recognition, we identify familiar voice, songs, pieces of music, and bird and animal sounds. Okay, this is how we can also recognize the pattern. And some another examples are like through touch. Okay, we identify physical object such as pen, pencil, chalk, okay, cup, plate, etc. Okay, this is how we can also identify the pattern. Okay, this is just overview of pattern recognition. Okay, thank you.